If you have a job that happens regularly at the same site address for the same billing customer, you can save time by creating a recurring job. This way, you don't have to manually assign, schedule, and create the job every time. Here's how to set it up. Start by opening the job card. In the top right corner, click Job Settings and select Make Recurring. This will take you to the Recurring Job template page. Here, you can customize a few important options. Set the start date for the recurring job, choose how often the job should repeat, decide if the job should be automatically assigned, and if you enable this option, you'll also choose who it gets assigned to. And if you want to make things even easier, you can also automatically schedule these jobs here as well. Quick tip, you can choose when each job card is created. Since each recurring job gets its own job card and number, it's important to pick a timing that works for you. For example, if the job recurs daily for 4 weeks, creating all the job cards a month in advance could lead to a cluttered list of open jobs. Instead, set it up to create job cards only when you actually need them. Once you've configured everything, click Save Recurring Options on the right-hand side and you're all set. Now, your recurring job will automatically create itself, assign itself to the right person, and even schedule itself, so you don't have to lift a finger.